Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. Today I am going back to my culinary school. This is Carver Career Center. So you guys can come along with me. Let's go inside. So I am going to take you guys to the kitchen because I'm going to be cooking for the students today.
Hi, Chef Christy. Hey. Come on in.
So I just want to introduce to you Chef Mandy. She was my culinary instructor here at Carver Career Center. I learned so much from you, and I am so excited to be here today. But I want to give her an opportunity to just talk a little bit about the program and what they do here at Carver.
Hi, as she said, I'm Chef Mandy here at Carver Career Center. I teach the adult culinary program here. It is an 11-month program. We have adults that come in from ages 18 all the way to retired age, and they just want to learn the fundamentals of cooking. We start off with fundamentals of serve safe and knife skills and tools and equipment, all the way to baking and pastries and fabricating of proteins, and they learn a lot of things. They also walk away with certifications. They get certified in serve safe management. They also learn the opportunity of management skills of supervision management and purchasing. And when they walk away, they have the opportunity to get a national level certification through the American Culinary Federation.
Yes, it's an awesome program, so I just wanted to give her a little bit of an opportunity to share that with you.
So, I hear that you guys just finished making sauces and you're getting ready to do breakfast and sandwiches. Is that correct?
Yes.
So, I thought I would show you how to make an eggs Benedict. Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. So, the students graciously mise en place for me. They got all my ingredients and my equipment ready, but let me show you everything that you will need to make an eggs Benedict. Okay, so what we need for our Hollandaise for the eggs Benedict is 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then there's a teaspoon of water. I have a half of a cup or 1 stick of melted butter. I'm going to use a pinch of cayenne pepper and white pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then I'm going to toast up an English muffin with some butter, quick fry some Canadian bacon, and then I'm going to poach 2 eggs. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 egg yolks to a bowl, and then my lemon juice, and my water, and I'm going to whisk this until it's kind of like pale and starts to get a little foamy actually. Alright, so now I'm going to add this bowl into this pot, and you do not want the water to touch the bottom of the bowl because you really just want that heat, the steam of the heat to kind of cook your eggs a little bit. Otherwise, you will end up with scrambled eggs. And also, don't be afraid to ever remove that from the heat if need be. All right, so you just want to whisk your egg yolks over this heat, and it will start to thicken slightly. And then when you add your butter, you just want to gradually add that butter, just a little at a time. If you add too much butter too quickly, then it could also cause it to separate. All right. Go with all of it. Okay, as you can see, it is thickened slightly, so I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add my Dijon mustard, and this is optional. You know, a lot of times You can add Worcestershire sauce. Hot sauce is also an option. I like the flavor of the Dijon. I think it just gives it a nice flavor, and it has that white wine that's already in the Dijon, so I like it. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of cayenne, and then a little bit of that white pepper. All right, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt here. There is a challenging thing to make hollandaise for service, because hollandaise is really difficult to keep warm and ready to go. So a little tip, and I discovered this watching YouTube, was to put your hollandaise in a thermos, and that just keeps it warm and ready. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to toast up the English muffin and then quick fry that bacon. So I'm just going to melt some butter in a skillet.
Quick question, Chef. Do you toast one or both sides?
I toast the cut side down on both of these, just on the one side, to get a nice crispy buttery toast on that English muffin. Good question though, thanks for asking. Once that butter's melted, I'm just gonna place that English muffin right in there, cut side down. All right, just a nice toast on that muffin. And just a nice quick fry on the bacon there. Basically just heating that through. But you got that butter in that skillet, so it's gonna give it a nice good flavor and caramelization. Okay, so I'm going to crack my egg and put it into this small bowl here.
Chef, why do you put it in the bowl?
Okay, the reason why I crack it in a bowl is a couple reasons. One, I don't want any eggshell to get in that water, and it does help the egg to coagulate, that big word, in the water. So now I'm going to poach the egg. And you want to make sure, you don't want your water to be at a boil, like a rolling boil. You just want it to be a light simmer. And I'm going to add some white distilled vinegar to the water, and this also helps that the egg white to coagulate. I can't say that word. And I'm also going to add some salt to the water, and this will help season that egg. All right, and so another tip that you guys want to do is you want to create a swirl. Just take a spoon and go in a circle until you have a nice swirl. And then just drop that egg right in it, and that will help that egg white kind of wrap around that egg yolk. And you want to poach them for just a couple minutes. They don't take long. All right, and then you just use a slotted spoon and place them on a plate with a towel just to drain off the water. Okay, so we have all the components ready. All we're going to do is assemble this Eggs Benedict. And I did want to tell you that Eggs Benedict is known as the most lavish of egg dishes. It consists of 2 toasted English muffin halves with a slice of Canadian bacon, a poached egg, and then it's topped with a coating of fresh hollandaise. This is your hollandaise, smooth and silky. Going to garnish with a little fresh chive. Isn't that beautiful? So now we've got to cut into this delicious Eggs Benedict. Here we go. Check that out. All right.
cut this up, and then you guys can come help yourself. I'm just gonna cut it into some pieces. Give it a try. Thank you. So, what did you guys think of the eggs Benedict?
Excellent.
I'm so glad. I had such a good time. Thank you so much for having me. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how I make my eggs Benedict. It was great. And I will see you all soon with more recipes.
Well, Chef, it was wonderful having you come back to your alma mater here. We are very appreciative of your culinary mind and helping the new generation of chefs that are coming in, out into the industry. You are always welcome back here at your alma mater. You are always family, and we hope to continue to keep networking with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.